Let's talk about something I see all the time with so many of my clients: using your inbox as your to-do list. So many of my clients fall into this trap. So many. And at first it feels really smart. I'm already checking my inbox 14 times a day. So, why not just roll with it, respond to this really quick, file that away in my brain for later. But here's the truth. Your inbox was never meant to hold all of your priorities. It is the place where you receive incoming information. And when you're always trying to manage your tasks from your inbox, it's typically in a reactionary state instead of leading. So I'm going to show you a better way. So the problem: when your inbox is your task list, you are prioritizing based on what's new, not on what matters. And you can end up scrolling endlessly looking for the one thing that your mom sent a couple weeks ago you're supposed to respond to, but you always forget about it. And your brain will never get closure that way because nothing is ever getting checked off. So my simple solution for getting out of inbox reactive mode is schedule increments of time each day to spend in your inbox. For example, 3 20-minute blocks. Triage every email. So when you open an email, always think, can I reply to this in 2 minutes? If yes, do it and archive it or delete it. In this case, I would probably delete it, right? Little gap coupon. Maybe I wanted to buy a sweater or something. Okay, sweater bought. Now I delete it. However, if it requires more time, let's say the Zoe report just happens to be my boss, I would turn this into a task, right? And the task is likely going to go onto my calendar. Need to, create the report for, an upcoming future date. Next, if it's not relevant or actionable, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. BTN, I don't need to read you. Frankly don't know what you are, so I'm deleting it. So again, your step 1 is going to triage every email. Can you reply? Does it require more thought or time? And is it relevant or actionable? And then take those steps. The second step is you'll move these real tasks to your system. So again, maybe the system is one of the other 3 pillars. So either your digital note taking like OneNote, your calendar like Google Calendar, or let's pull this up here. There it is. Or a task, which in Google Calendar, you can also create a task list right in here. Okay. So the third is keeping in mind that you want to keep your inbox for incoming information only, right? This is not a platform that we're working in. We process information within this platform, and then that information goes into one of our other pillars. So if your inbox is feeling like a never-ending to-do list that you can't stay on top of, it's because it wasn't meant to be one, right? You deserve a system that helps you lead your day and not chase it. So my quick challenge to you is start small and just triage a few of your emails today. Can you reply to it? Does it require more thought or time? Yes, turn it into a task. And if it's not relevant or actionable, just go ahead and delete it, right? Gosh, I love deleting email. Oh, feels so good. All right, you've got this, my friend. As always, thanks for watching and happy organizing.